This is a 75 kVA projection type pneumatically operated projection welder for welding 8 mm wire with 2.5 mm 13 wires at a time. Now we'll show you the working of the machine. This over here is the digital controller. This is the on-off switch for the controller. Then we have schedule select and program switch. Then we have in one cycle and repeat cycle switch. We have right side no weld switch. Then first we'll go to the program. By pressing the switch towards program side, set the button. You can set the squeeze time, say about 40 cycles like that. Enter the button again. Then you weld will flow. You can set the weld time, say about 24 cycles. Then forge will glow. You can keep at say 15 cycles. Then heat percentage will glow. You can keep the percentage say about 80% for welding 13 wires of 2.5 mm dia. Now we can again show you the schedule select, how to go to the second schedule by taking the switch towards schedule side, enter the button. Then you can select either one schedule or two schedules, three schedules, whatever you want. So you select schedule number 2. Then it's the working starting. Bring this switch to the single schedule and no weld switch to the weld side. And then you can start welding by keeping the job, inputting the welding jaws. Like this, and press the foot switch. You will see welding taking place. चलो लाइन का बीच वाला जाएगा, घुमा मत जाएगा. घुमाने का नहीं, सीधा लगा आगे लेके जा.